What is going on, guys? Lewis, aka what's up, my game peoples? Welcome to Wrenchettes, where not only I work in beautiful cars like this beautiful Lincoln, but in life as well. Now today we're gonna work on the Lincoln. If you guys remember, I got hit twice, sideswiped twice on this car. First, it was this one. It's a yellow cab right there and right there. And the second, most recent one was right here, white CRV. Now we are gonna try to fix that today. And I also gonna give you guys a little update since both cases are already settled. Okay, so there she is. This is the update. As you can see, the front is looking real good. Now let's go to the back where we have the long side swipe. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can capture that, but you can barely see anything there. And that's because there is nothing there. They quoted me this in a professional shop for $1,400, almost $1,500. And I fixed this with, I think, less than $100 bucks. Now see, this is all material stuff. If I would have went crazy and I would have assaulted those people that sideswiped me, I would have been in jail, had a record, probably would have been fired from TLC, and all of that was fixed in less than 1 hour. And I made some money off it. So turn a negative into a positive. Okay, now let's talk about the settlement. The settlement for the yellow swipe, as you guys may, I know I'm gonna link the video in the corner. I let the guy go because I felt bad for the guy. He had one leg, he's an old man. But the white CRV, she did a hit and run. After talking there, we landed in 1,500 and something. And I decided to fix it myself, because I can't afford 1,400 and then lose all those days because of them. My point was, to let them know what kind of driver she was, and the police and the state. They already know, and that was my point. Now, something new that I did was, because I didn't have no affiliate links, I decided to open up a store account. All the parts that you saw me use in this video to fix both sides are gonna be linked in the description so you guys can pick them up yourself. Okay, so here are all the products that I use in this video. Everything will be linked in my storefront on Amazon, starting with the cloth, the sanding paper, the painter's paint, the foam kit, the Pro Compound Speed, but I didn't use that one. I used this one, the Ultra Finishing Polish, but if you need more deep cleansing, then you use that one, and then you use that one in combination with the pads right here. Now the only thing that you can get in Amazon is this polisher, but I'll link one that's close to it, but it's more expensive. I would suggest you go to Harbor Freight and use that 20% off and save yourself a lot of money. I think I got this one for like 24 bucks. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So that is it for this video. If you want to purchase this, all the proceeds of this product will go directly to the channel to help me out and for the Vader baby. So that's all, guys. If you like this type of content, please give me a like. And if you are new, please consider subscribing because 2019 is going to be an awesome year.